add to our booklet with recipes page numbers. That's very handy when we have more pages. We can do this by insert, and you can insert many things. Okay, well, I'm selecting this image. Oh, I see this image is also having some trouble because the text is not floating on the left side besides it. And that's easy to see because this text is a little bit too long. It is a very long word because it may not contain any breaks. So in this time we have a quick solution by our arrow keys. I select the picture one line lower and the text can float because of this long text is above it. So, but we are going to find some things like here are some page numbers. And then we go to insert and we can insert an image. What was also a solution which we didn't use some videos before here, but there are many things you can insert. Even special characters, what I'm going to use later. We go to page numbers and then we do it something like this here where you see the page number in the footer. And we click it here. And you just see here it in the first page that jumps in a page number here, also page number 2. Page number 3 is a little bit difficult to see because of the trouble with that picture. We're going to lose that and 4. But when you have a booklet, it's nicer to have some more options. So I look here for different on the first page. And that's very nice because most of the time the first page is a title page and then you don't add a page number. We look at more options. Page numbers we're going to look and then we say something like we start numbering at 1, that's okay, show it on the first page, that's okay. So that is what we applied. Different first page, we go to put that away. We go to the number 2 and look whether or not we have some more options. Maybe footer format, maybe page numbers again. And I'm looking for something that it has difference between the first and the is first page, but also different on odd and even pages. We say apply. So we are now on page number 2 and there is no page number. So then we say, well, we can try to say some options. We say here, so a page number. And it starts at 1 and in the frame it doesn't show on the first page. We say apply. So now we have a page number on the second page and a page number on the first page. But on the first page I want that he is lining on the right side. And on the even pages he's on the left side. And then we have a different first page. So in the first page it is not at all. So that's what we're going to look at. Page number 3 is very difficult. 4 is okay. 5 is an odd page footer. And we say insert page number. That's what we do. Insert a page number like that. Three, 4, 5, I hope, but I cannot see it. I cannot. 6 on the other side. Yes. Then we have even and odd page numbers, and we also do not have at the different first page. We don't want to have 1 at all. So this has to start at 1. So we're going to have options for the page numbers. It starts at 1 and not at 0. Apply. Four, 5, yes, now it's okay. It was a little bit hard. You have to look much more, but we do have to do something else so we can easily see it on every page. That's what we're going to do at the next video.